And the biodynamic world and the continuum world, we're not expecting to find answers. We're exploring the unknowable. And our conditioning is to solve, define, excel, understand. We're used to receiving assignments associated maybe with a sense of obligation, or there might be some judgment if we don't know how to do it right. And I'm saying it's none of that. We move into curiosity with a sense of attuning to the ongoing treatment and integration process as you move through your week. What is that? For some of us, it might be, what does that even mean? And simply staying open to receive. And sometimes it'll take a few days, like learning anything, even touching the consciousnesses that we invoked, for them to integrate into our system. You know how we organize our nervous systems when we're sleeping. Like you could fail miserably at riding a bike all day and then you sleep on it and the next day you can do it. So the question is something that might be relevant in a few days. It's a question. What is your relationship to the concept and the experience of integration? When Holly said simple, simple comes from integration. All disappears and becomes one. This is deep stuff. It's also so simple, it's hard for us to put our finger on. And it's not such a small nuance. We're all so brilliant, and we've done beautifully at mastering the training we've received well. There are some parts, this is one of those parts where unlearning would serve us. Fewer answers, more curiosity, more inquiry, all the noise. Did I do it well enough? Did I even know what she was talking about? What if I never feel it? Resting in wonder and curiosity. It's less work. It's more fun. It's a way simpler. Ease and grace. Ease and grace. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.